Have you ever had anything stolen from you? Well, I have, and it happened right in my backyard. You know, I feed birds in my backyard, and when I put the bird food out, the squirrels would come, and they would go through the entire bird feeder in a matter of days. I hate them. I know I have to stop them, so I did some research. You know what's the best solution? Feed the enemy. By feeding squirrels the food they hate, I reduce the food waste by 100% in a matter of minutes. I know you can buy those fancy squirrel-proof feeders, but they are expensive and they hardly work. I've also thought about putting those grease up on the pole so that squirrels can hold on to it, but who wants to deal with a greasy mess? Then I found safflower seeds. Those are great. Birds love them, squirrels hate them. Problem solved. So let's put out safflower seeds. If we do, we can reduce the squirrel's visit by 100% immediately. Who's on board?